Alright guys, I think I got it the way I want it. All via remote. Here, programmed in. Remote IR is down here. And then I'm hoping it doesn't blur out on me here because, let's see. There we go. And then, that's the first one. Just regular lights and sound. Remember last time sorry for blurring out here, it clicked from the relay. So now I got rid of the relay and I have MOSFET controlling it. So here you go. And then one more. No clicking at all. And then just a regular flyby. The other stuff I have on here, I can't really play because it will, I have some kind of copyright infringement thing because it has the voices of the characters and so on. But that's pretty much it. Thanks guys. Appreciate you all watching my channel, and if you have any feedback, I'd appreciate it. And thank you for looking and watching. I do appreciate anybody that wants to subscribe to the channel. Oops, look at that, man. I keep on trying to focus on the inside here. There we go. One more time. And again, let's see if this focuses in on it. There we go. And then one more. Alright guys, thanks for watching.